rockstar patient daw ako. Parang hygienist daw. Such a nice day out. It's so sunny. I'm on my way to my dentist. So, instead na mag-drive, maglalakad lang ako para exercise na rin and to enjoy this beautiful and sunny but still cold day. Pagka ganitong super sunny, kahit malamig, maraming naglalakad-lakad para makakuha ng vitamin D from sunlight. So uphill kasi galing sa amin, hingal much. Anyway, malapit na ako sa dentist ko. So pagka ganitong maaraw, kahit malamig, kailangan naka-sunblock palagi. Kasi harmful pa rin ang rays ng sun. Actually, kahit hindi maaraw, nakasanayan ko na mag-sunblock din everyday bago lumabas ng bahay. Dito, hindi ka pwede basta-basta tumawid. Kailangan mag-press, magko-cross ka. Finally, tapos na ang cleaning ko. I still have one part. Yung cleaning dito, hindi siya dire-diretso kasi part by part. Napakamahal magpa-dentist dito. Yun nga. So, fortunately, I have a little bit of coverage from my work. Pero, 1,000 lang din siya. Tsaka hindi siya parang consumable. Parang, kunyari pag cleaning, 50% lang yung coverage. Tapos, kapag mga fillings, 80%, ganyan. So, not enough. Tapos, dito kasi sa Canada, dun sa clinic ng dentist ko, if it's your first time, so they have to do a thorough check-up. Check nila lahat ng ipin mo. And then, they'll give you a list of what to do, what needs to be done. So, iba yung standards nila dito sa Canada. I had a filling done already. So, sobrang linis. I mean, naka-cover, naka-goma and everything. I don't know what they put in my mouth. Pero wala akong debris na nararamdaman. It's so clean what they did. And then, very smooth din yung process. Hindi rin masyadong masakit. Yun. Pero, yun nga, napakamahal. Like today, 200 something yung cleaning for just the bottom. And I had to pay 50%. So, 100 plus. Goodbye. Yun. Pero mabait naman yung hygienist. So, yun lang. Bye. See you again soon.